This is a brand new 2015 Honda Accord. It has a 4-cylinder engine and a continuous variable transmission. Its top features include Bluetooth cell phone integration, a rear-view camera, the Honda Link infotainment system, XM satellite radio, hill start assist, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, full power accessories, side curtain airbags, child safety seat anchors, rear seat child-proof door locks, a home link feature, a rear window defroster, a push-button ignition, and 7 intelligently positioned speakers producing great sound quality throughout the cabin. With an EPA estimated rating of 36 miles per gallon on the highway, fuel efficiency does not take a backseat. Contact us today to schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.